These are the more common forms of abstract reasoning. First, we have the rotation or direction. If you will notice, the three circles are slowly rotating in a clockwise direction. First, it was on the top, then it's on the upper right, then it goes on the right, then it goes on the lower right. So what you will be looking for are three circles which is at the bottom. And then you will also notice the arrow is moving in a counterclockwise direction. First it's at the top, then at the left, and it's down and to the right. So you're looking for an arrow which is pointing to the top. Second is decreasing or increasing conditions. If you will notice, these objects have an increasing number of sides. First is a triangle which has 3 sides. Then it becomes a square, 4 sides. This has 5 sides. This has 7 sides, 6 sides. Now you are looking for something that has 7 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A heptagon. The next one is position or oscillation. If you will notice, this square is oscillating from the bottom to the top and back to the bottom again. So here is at the bottom, here is at the top, here is at the bottom, here it is at the top. So the next one should be at the bottom. And you will notice the triangles, the dark triangle is moving slowly to the right and then go back again. First it's on the first position, then on the second, then on the third, and then goes back to the first position. So what you are looking for is a triangle with the black triangle in the middle. First, second, third, first, second. Next is the size. The triangles are slowly increasing in size. So what you are looking for is something that has a bigger triangle than the previous one. The squares are decreasing slowly, so what you are looking for is a square that is smaller than this one. Next we have numbers or letters. If you will notice, there is a skip of 2 letters: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. What you're looking for is M. Here we have a mirror image. If you will notice this semicircle, it has a dot on the bottom, but the next one, the dot is also at the bottom. It means they are mirror images. So if the next figure is like this, you will be looking for a mirror image. The dot is on the far side. The dot should also be on the far side. Next we have swapping. In here, the square is inside an object, and on the next one, the square is now outside. So the trend is whatever's inside on the first figure, it will be on the outside on the next figure. So the circle here is in the inside, now it goes on the outside. So the pentagon used to be inside, then it's now outside. So what you will be looking for should be a rectangle. Here it is on the inside, then it should be on the outside. It doesn't matter the shape that is in the next figure as long as it's a rectangle on the outside. Next is the number of objects. If you will notice, the black circles have no order. It is random. But if you count them, this has 3, this one has 4, this one has 3, this one has 4. So what you are looking for is 9 circles still, but it had to be 3 dark circles. So 3, 4, 3, 4, 3. These are the less common forms of abstract reasoning. First is the matrix, where you have 9 squares, and then you will detect the pattern for each line. For the first line, we have 5 circles where the black circle is rotating in a clockwise position. First it's here, and then it went here, and then it went there. For the second line, it has 4 triangles where the black triangle is also rotating in a clockwise position. First it's on the left, then it's on the right, then it's on the bottom. For the third line, there are 3 squares. It is also rotating. The black square is also rotating clockwise, so it's on the top, then on the right. So what you are looking for are 3 squares where the black square will be on the left. Next type of abstract reasoning is called a set A, set B, or neither. So we have 2 sets. This is set A, this is set B, and there is a recurring pattern on both sets. We have 3 for this example. We have 3 questions. This is question number 1, question number 2, question number 3. You will decide on which set this belongs. So it has 1 plus, 1 square, and 2 circles. So you will look on both sets which has a recurring pattern that contain one of these. So in here you have a circle, square, diamond, oval, 2 circles, square, plus 3 diamonds, 2 circles, a plus, a square, diamond, and plus, 4 diamonds and a plus, 3 circles and a plus. If you will notice here, all of them have a 1 plus on all of them. There's a single plus, and this one contains a single plus. If we check on the other set, the plus is not consistent. There are 2 in here, 3 in here, 2 in here, none in these 3. So this one belongs to set A. So this is set A. For the next one, it contains a circle and a 2 diamonds. So we'll check if there is a recurring pattern of a circle in here. There's this 1 here, but there's 2 in here, there's 2, there's 3, and there's none in here. In here, there is 1 there. There's 2 circles here, but the rest have no circles. Let's see the diamonds. There are 2 diamonds. In here, there's 1, there's none, there's 3, there's 1, there's 4, there's none. So not in here, but in here, there's 2 diamonds. In here, there's 2 diamonds, 2 diamonds, 2 diamonds, 2 diamonds, 2 diamonds. So this number is set B. For the third question, we have an X, we have a diamond, we have a circle. So in here, you cannot find any X. Let's check for 1 diamond. So this has all 2 diamonds in here. There's 1 here, but there's none here. So it's not consistent. For the circle, there's 1 circle, 2 circles, and none on the rest. 1 circle, 2 circles, 2 circles, 3 circles. So this is neither set A or set B. For the third example, choose the odd one out. So you just need to check which one is different. If you will notice, all of them have a straight edge except for this one. So this is the odd one out. So another example is blank is to blank as blank is to blank. So in the first drawing is arrow pointing upwards, and then it went downwards, so it went opposite. So this one would also be going in the opposite. So what you will be looking for in your answer will be an arrow going in the opposite direction. The last number is shape of surface area to 3D view. I will show you an example. For example, this is a picture of a rectangular prism. But if you open it up, it will open like this. This is the surface area of the rectangular prism. So it's the same as this one. on the first picture, if you folded it up, it will look like a regular box of squares on all sides. This one, if you folded it up, it will be looking like this. This one will look like a flat box, like this. But this one, if you folded it up, it will look like this. So this one, this is, let's say, A. This is this one. And then B will be this one. So this is the base. This one will be this, the left side. And this will be at the back. This will be the top. No. Yep, this will be the top, and this will be the next, let's say M. This will be M. So this is your answer.